Welcome to Ngobotonto Sharp Eyes channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey tada, Organjan Bafit for life. This is Ngobotonto Sharp Eyes channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Orlando Pirates 0, Pyramid 0. It's a CAF Champions League semi-final first leg. My brother, how's it?
Thank you, Kunjan. Sharp, man.
You're taking the game tonight?
I came layers in One thing I liked about the game is Amachita. One thing I liked about the game, Amachita, they control the game. First half, ball rotation, yonke into behamba. So then what I wanted more, energy.
From the boys.
From the boys.
Exactly.
Came in there and then he showed some energy, and then that's what we're gonna bring. That's what we do. Orlando Pirates it's unbeaten. And this thing we're gonna keep it like that. Until a final. Football is not a final. Celebrate again. Netbank so celebrate. A CAF so celebrate. Young Naselikin. Kona banye bazolahla. Kahle kona banye bazolahla. Thank you.
So akutshena no.
Yes sir.
Ufuna uthatha zonke izinto. Why unganikeza laba senatural at least in netbank?
All right, kahle yasikwenzakalana nothi amne. We would have loved to ukuthi banike, but then now icoach yethu iyahamba. Yabona so amachita basimisele ukuthi bathathe yonke.
It's a gift.
Yabona it's a gift. Ukuthi sithathe yonke.
So sorry makhosi ngizamile ukunikhulumela hayi. So
thank you.
Hola.
Thank you, Brandon.
Sure.
Yeah, play.